Hey guys, what's up? This is the first time we're having a sit-down vlog. Today, since I just reached 1,000 subscribers, as a reward, she bought me a new camera. We bought a new camera, and that's the new GoPro Hero 8. This one. So we will be unboxing, we'll be sharing what's inside, and we will also be sharing what I used when I started vlogging, which was, when was that? 2014, because you met me.
Nag-vlog din ka to?
Wala pa. But I started using the GoPro Hero 4. Ibog-ibog pa lang kato na ako. Crash. Balik natin ko ato niyo mo, di ba? So, 2014, that was 2014. Okay naman na good. Okay naman mo amin good. The very first camera that I bought myself, the GoPro Hero 4. Alright, so let's go. Before we go with the Hero 8, we just want to share what we had before. So this is the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. Unlike Hero 8, kanimang god wala stabilizer na built-in. This doesn't have a built-in stabilizer. Sa Hero 8, na siya built-in na stabilizer. What I used to make my video stable is this G4 FeiyuTech G4. So, i-manual pa ni mo kabit. So, medyo kapoy siya.
Kailangan pa remove ang case. Mga butang sa stabilizer.
You have to remove the case. Remove the camera inside. And then, manually put it here. You have to screw it. Sample video, kani. So that's the video stability using this G4. Now let's go with the Hero 8. Let's see what's inside. Pagilid sa natin So this is the most recent version of GoPro. Let's see what's inside. So if we're gonna compare this to the Hero 4, let's compare the size. Hero 8 doesn't have casing yet. It looks like there's a casing. That's the difference. That's the difference. Ang Hero 4, if you notice, ang iyang lens na dyan siya. Ang Hero 8, kaya ang iyang lens na i-cover. Now, based on my research, downside sa Hero 8 is kaning iyang lens cover ba? This is not removable. So if mo gas-gas gani siya, bye-bye na. So, mugas ka siya, bye-bye. So, mabuak nga ni. Unfortunately, di siya ma-replacean. So, what we did, we bought
tempered glass.
We bought a tempered glass. No, screen protector.
Yeah.
Not a tempered glass, but it was a screen protector. We just cut it and then
Is it on the lens?
On the cover of the lens para at least mahuluman siya.
Magaras? Ever?
Madali garas. Hero 7 and then Hero 6, ang ilang lens cover kay ma-remove. Mao niyang pinakanindot sa Hero 8. Hero 8 has the most stable video quality. Video of Hero 8, check this out. You may wanna bring GPS in case you get lost. Ha? Balik. Wrong? Hindi mo, straight. Dire? Pika side. Dire? Ay, dili. Tip number 1.
Check out our first vlog. Vlog using the Hero 8 para makita ninyo how stabilized the video is.
Tomorrow, I will go to Spartan Trail in somewhere in Banawa in Cebu City. So I'll be using this the first time. Check that out. Watch that video. Let's see what's inside. So there's the manual with so many translations. English, Dutch, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese. So there's a lot of translation. Sticker. This is something that I like sa package kaya na sticker. Ako na. So there's this cord for you to charge the GoPro. Wala siya mount, sticky mount, wherein you can place a helmet. Oo, that's why slant siya. Slant siya. So sa helmet. Now, weight, of course, heavier ni. Heavier ang Hero 8. I also have this tripod that I bought long time ago. I've been using this underwater bisasa kumadto. And when we got this, there's a free mini extension pole tripod from GoPro. So this is free.
Shorty pole. Mura siya, pang tripod lagi siya.
So pwede siyang pang monopod. Pwede siyang monopod. Pwede po mahimong tripod. Okay.
Wala siya. Wala. That's it. Tripod.
So it's like kung saan yung measure saka dangkal. The store where we got this is free. If you buy somewhere else, I don't know if they have the same promotion. Nindot siya. Okay, pwede siya
siya mini extension pole plus tripod. So double purpose siya.
Sit down vlog po, na. So again, if there is something that you would really want to be very, very, very careful if you use GoPro unsa man, the screen, magasgas ni, wala naman.
That's why, put taog protector.
We also bought a screen protector for cell phones, bitaw, and then we cut it, put it here. Okay. If you're gonna check my YouTube channel, majority of my videos were taken from this camera. Got this 2015.
Siguro GoPro.
Kano sa kanang uyab na mo?
15 lagi na?
2015, the year this was released. That's when I got this. Now, I still have this. This is still working. Mugana pa siya actually. Daghan na siya mga gas-gas na yung mga cracks gamay, but good as new. Dili.
No. Performances.
Really good pa. This has been my best friend for the longest time. It's just, dili siya pwede pang underwater unless I use the cover.
Waterproof case.
Waterproof. But if I have the waterproof, I don't have stability of the video. Because this G4, pwede ko lang ni magamit if ibutang na ako without the casing. Hassle kaayo. So I'm so excited to use this new camera. I'm so excited to create more contents. Please subscribe. So I'm so sleepy na because I will still be early tomorrow. I still need to go to Spartan Trail for the trekking. So excited to use this. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Bye!